I'm going to show you 4 very easy vegan snacks that only calls for a few ingredients which you probably already have at home, and they are all very delicious. I have written out all of the recipes in this video, but if you want to access them again, I would recommend you to download and subscribe to my recipe app, the Fivesec Health app, and there you will find the recipes plus 350 other vegan recipes. You will find meal plans and much more, so check that out in the link down below in the description. But now let's get into it.